Good evening, guys. Welcome back to market analysis. So let's look at what happened in the market today and what is the forecast for tomorrow. Uh, Coming to SGS Nifty is trading around 15,712, a bit positive. Dow Jones is positive, and Nasdaq a bit negative. Not much changes in that. Coming to Nifty, Nifty today closed above 15,670, 700 levels, which is the first resistance. So market is again back to bullish territory. Nifty is back to bullish territory with the help of Reliance and all heavyweight index. So overall structure is very bullish as of now. Tomorrow there is an RBI meet tomorrow, and it's on the uh, monetary policy. There is no changes on the repo rates, but maybe a liquidity infusion may come, and there may be some announcement coming. So if there is any meaningful downside tomorrow, please use the dips to buy because this is a buy and dips market. So please utilize that. The next resistance will be 15,932, or next target will be 15,932 for Nifty. If market sustains the 15,700 levels tomorrow, then it will take a move towards 15,932 in the coming week. As of coming to open interest wise data, 15,700 levels is having a good support also and resistance also. Tomorrow it will be interesting to watch which side the market is moving post RBI announcements. So coming to Bank Nifty is at struggling to move past 35,700 levels. So today it was in a tight consolidation range, but then it doesn't fall below 35,400 also, but doesn't move past 35,700 also. So once it move past 36,000 levels, I mean like it sustains 35,700 levels with the help of HDFC Bank. I'm expecting tomorrow HDFC Bank or day after tomorrow coming week HDFC Bank will move past 15,027. So and with the Nifty bank and it will lift Bank Nifty also to another 1,000 points, close to 36,840, 814 levels, which may be a potential reversal zone if in case market want to reverse. So HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, all three banks are very bullish. Reliance is bullish. Reliance is taking resistance around the first target level, 2,200, and it's bit consolidating there. The next target is 2,300 levels. So we are holding on that for 2,283 to 2,300 levels. HDFC Bank sustaining above, back to bullish now. After 2 days of fall, it is again back to that level. Sustaining above this level, 15,527. The next target will be 1,577 to 1,580. And the reversal may be around 1,600 levels, maybe the coming week, along with Bank Nifty, close to 37,000 levels. ICC Bank is a bit negative as of now, as I informed in the weekly forecast. It's a bit negative, but let's look at tomorrow's data also, how it moves. It has broken the channel and support, and then it is downside. Kotak Bank is bullish, Axis Bank is bullish. So this is the data for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Coming to open interest based data, Bank Nifty is having huge support at 35,500 levels, and the resistance is at 36,000 levels. Coming to the breakout stocks, today Titan made a huge breakout. So please keep this in radar. It made a huge breakout today with the support of volumes also. So market may, I mean like a Titan may retest these levels, but before that it may give a small move. I think it made a 1,600 to close to 1,700. So close to 100 points it made today. Yes, 105 points. It made a 6% up move today. So keep this in radar. The breakout stock. So Muthoot Finance has given a breakout today. Coming to stock specific, Bajaj Finance has given a breakout. So please keep this in radar. NBFCs all are performing very well. Muthoot Finance, Finance, Bajaj Finance. So I wanted to show another breakout, which is which is a Nifty Energy. Let me show you that. So before that, so as per the latest reports, government is trying to bring LIC IPO by March 2022. So as you know, LIC IPO is most awaited IPO in the recent times. This will be the India's biggest IPO, and every retail investor will get full and firm allotment in this IPO. That is what the expectation is. Let's see. Nifty Energy, Nifty Metals are performing well. Nifty Energy, sorry, where is it? Yes. So I wanted to show particularly Nifty Energy because Nifty Energy has given a breakout. Those who are holding Nifty Energy stocks, which is IOC, ONGC, BPCL, GAIL, everyone has given a breakout. I'll show you the chart of Nifty Energy. This is the day chart. If you see ONGC, I mean like Nifty Energy is moving in a very consolidated, consistent manner. So decent price action, then again up move, again a decent price action, then again a up move, and again it has given a breakout. Now it is above that breakout levels and it is started moving back. So any meaningful dip here will take a support here and then again it will start moving. So please note these levels. ONGC has given a good breakout today. So it has already made a cup and handle breakout also. So above 122, another 60 points is on the card, which will bring back to 180 levels. I mean like a cup and handle pattern will give a complete size of the cup in the points move. So another 180 points up move. I'm expecting close to this in another medium to long term, which is 6 months to 1.5 years. Indian Oil Corporation. Yes, it has given a breakout. It is retesting those levels. In the Petro, the same. BPCL. Yes, it has given a breakout and a retest is also done. So please keep this Nifty Energy stocks in your, I mean like watch list and radar. Anyone holding this, please continue holding on this. This is a long time breakout. After a long time, it has given a breakout. So there must be a good move upside. So coming to Nifty, FI DA data, FI today had bought for almost 1,079 crores and NIF, I mean like DA has sold for 270 crores. So on the cash market. So that's all guys. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions on this and if you are expecting any specific topics to be covered on this, please post on the comment section. Thanks guys. Thanks guys. Please keep supporting.